Want to make your home smell like fall in just 10 seconds? Here's how. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and today we are making a warm welcome diffuser blend that smells like citrus, spice, and cozy fall air. It's super simple, and you can grab all the oils you need on our website. For this recipe, you will need autumn air essential oil blend, cinnamon essential oil, and orange essential oil. All of these oils come in this month's Simply Earth recipe box, or you can grab the ingredients individually on our website. We even have a recipe page with everything linked in one place. Here's how to make it. For a single-use blend, add 2 drops autumn air, 2 drops sweet orange, and 1 drop of cinnamon to your diffuser. Always follow your diffuser's instructions for the right amount of oils and water. Want to make a stock blend? Use a 5 milliliter amber glass bottle and add 40 drops of autumn air, 40 drops of orange, and 20 drops of cinnamon. Swirl the mix, label it, and it's ready whenever you want a warm welcome at home. And just like that, you've got a cozy diffuser blend that makes your whole space smell like fall. Pretty simple, right? That's the beauty of all our recipes. They're designed to use oils you can buy individually or bundle together in the Simply Earth recipe box. Each box gives you 4 pure oils and 6 easy recipes, just like this one. So you can keep making your home feel amazing without overspending on store-bought products. Let's ask Gail what she thinks of this diffuser blend. Here's Gail. So Gail, we just made this warm welcome diffuser blend. First, tell me what you think. What does it remind you of?
It smells like fall. It's not too overpowering. Kind of like when you have fall things simmering on your stove.
Ooh.
Like cider.
Like cider?
Yes.
Nice.
It's good.
Good. What oils do you think are in it?
I'm gonna guess orange. It's a lot of pressure. Cinnamon? Okay.
It's tricky, this last one.
Wait, did you use a blend?
We used a blend.
Autumn air.
It is! This is a high five. You got it. Look at that.
I could guess, because that's been everything today.
I know.
I just sound real knowledgeable. Yeah, that's really good.
The scent is inviting, the citrus feels bright and uplifting, while the cinnamon adds the perfect cozy warmth. It's like having a cozy fall day inside, no matter what the weather's like outside. Want to try it too? Share your version with hashtag I made this and tag from Simply Earth. You could win a $100 gift card and get featured. See you in the next video.